Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I'm going to review Philips hair trimmer, available on the Amazon and on Flipkart, Myntra, Nykaa. By the way, I had bought this from the Flipkart application. This is non-sponsored video. This retails for price nearly 900 something, but in the offers it cost me around 600 or something, which is okay deal. Still it's expensive for me. This is Philips hair trimmer. It working well, no problem, looks good, black color, good quality. They didn't provided the adapter. We have to use mobile adapter for charging, which I didn't like. Yes, they have provided the charging cable. It's quite pricey, but let's see how much it lasts. Be careful while trimming because you might get cuts. Yes, sometimes I got cut. It is bit risky. You have to be extra careful. I like the trimmer, but I like that another trimmer from the brand HTC. I have already shared the review for that product. You can check that out. That retails around 299 rupees, means 300. So please check that video. I have already uploaded. You can share which trimmer you like the most in the comment section below and share the short review. What do you feel about the product? I hope you found my video helpful. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.